kaluwore gi okang' mathicho oko Edwin Sifuna kaka jagoro maduong' mar ODM kolose wang' jowi mar Citizen TV otieno manyoro. Mbadi okoni orako okang' makamano kolero ni ma en yor tieko tungni matindo mosenene duond burano mar ODM.
Sifuna is supposed to be the spokesperson of the party. When you are a spokesperson of the party, you don't speak your mind to the public, contrary to what the party has resolved. What you speak is what the party has resolved. So your mind you speak in the meeting. If it is Central Committee, you express yourself. Once a decision has been taken at the Central Committee or National Executive Committee, that binds. If you don't want to communicate that position, the best thing, the most honorable thing you do is to quit that position.
Why not just reprimand him? Or do you think he was a loose cannon?
I am not sure whether he hasn't been reprimanded or what exactly reprimand means here. Because we have different ways of reprimanding party officials. Parties don't go out to shout to Kenyans that we are reprimanding our party leader or we are reprimanding our Secretary General or the chairperson. What parties do is to talk to you, and if you cannot listen to the party, then the party takes a decision. And the decision can be taken at the party organs. And I'm happy that at least the party organs are now acting. And to me, they have acted within the law, within the constitution of the party. National Executive Committee has just recommended. Sifuna has not been removed. He has been recommended for removal. And in its place, the moment you recommend, then you put acting until it is ratified. First, it should go to the National Governing Council. Then it goes to the National Delegates Conference. By the way, National Governing Council can put an acting Secretary General who would effectively execute the mandate of Secretary General, awaiting the ratification by NDC.
Yeah.
So, listening to what came out of Mombasa, I think the party has followed the party constitution. Remember, Sifuna was not just any other member. This is the Secretary General of the party. And let me tell you, Jeff, and my position has always been that sometimes we pretend a lot. The direction Sifuna had taken, any senior party official in this country, and the history is full of these examples, who has taken such a trajectory, has never remained in that political party. So it was actually a waste of time expecting a miracle out of nothing, to expect that Sifuna would still remain in ODM.
Kamachielo nyakoram gajuang riwruok mar governors koro landa yanga nyinge senators magiyuak ne osebedo kasandogi anyate committee marango kaka counties tiyo gi omenda. Governors yuak ni senators go kotogi omenda kendo ketogi gi liet ma ok owinjore. Governors ka okale riwruok margi mar Council of Governors ocholo barua ne speaker mar od bura mar Senate